This host has always installed the Winba picture system. Now I'm going to install it with PVE, then install Windows. Record the process. And now I use a USB stick. Enter my USB flash drive portable system. Here is a PVE this firmware. Then let's install it and have a try. Let's record the process casually here. Enter. Enter. Here, let's choose the installation method. Graphical enter. I didn't set the network cable here. I'm plugging in my network cable at the same time. Let's take a look. Here, click Agree in the lower right corner. Then here is the selection of this disk. This is an ET disk. Click Next. This one chooses our country. Then time zone and language. Click Next. Password. I'll enter it here. This email is the default. I don't know if it will work. Next step. That's too short. Then change it to a long password. Then click Next. Invalid email address. Think about it. Just try one. Next step. And this is the Internet Protocol address he gave us. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, let's change it the same way. Click Next. So the next step is to remember our Internet Protocol address. Click to install. In the process of installation, so we're going to reboot. You can see the interface to enter this PVE. Press enter. This has entered our interface. Let's log in and try it. There's reflection. Can't see. I'll enter the account. Default is root. Then enter our password. You can see that we have logged in and the IP is displayed as the address intranet. Let's take a look. You can see his PVE address. Then I changed this internet protocol address. His previous eBay is wrong. Then I put together this net, indicate that there is a network. Then log into our IPS on another host. And then we went to this page. Go to PVE. The default account is root. Enter our previous account and password. Click Save. Enter the page. Then we enter our PVE. Let's take a look at its outline. First of all, this one. Disk. This memory is essential. This is the CPU. Then this space. Let's see here. This is eBay. This is 8 or 800. Divide it into 2. Okay, we're done as soon as our PV arrives.